Every single day, thousands of tons of plastic waste enters our facility. But what happens next? Watch as we transform garbage into treasure.
In just 8 hours, this facility processes 500 trucks to new products. This is industrial alchemy.
Welcome to Next Gen Industrial Process, where we unlock the secrets of industrial innovation. Subscribe now. Let's go.
Our facility receives waste from across the region. Every truck carries precious material, plastic that would otherwise end up in landfills for centuries. The truck bed rotates to 45 degrees, releasing approximately 15 tons of mixed plastic waste. First, we remove any metal contamination using industrial electromagnets operating at 5,000 Gauss, strong enough to lift a car. High-pressure water jets clean the plastic surface, removing labels, adhesives, and contaminants before processing begins. Bottles are loaded onto our conveyor belt system, moving at 120 meters per minute.
Our AI-powered optical scanning system analyzes each bottle in 0.3 seconds, identifying material type, color, and density for precise sorting.
Robotic arms sort the plastic by type with 99.7% accuracy. In a single hour, they sort over 18,000 bottles. Each material type flows into its own collection system: clear, blue, green, and brown plastic, all separated for optimal processing. Our hydrocyclone uses density differences to separate plastics by type, a process nature taught us, perfected by engineering. Compressed bales weigh 400 kilograms each and are wrapped for storage and transport. Each color is stored separately. This warehouse holds 500 tons of baled plastic, ready for the next phase of recycling. Quality assurance is critical. Every bale is tested for purity, moisture content, and contamination levels. Our standard, 99% material purity. Every batch receives international certification, ISO standards, and environmental compliance documentation. Traceability is everything. Our recycled plastic is shipped to processors worldwide. Bales destined for new products, packaging, and industrial applications.
Bales in less than 4 hours. Now, phase 2, where the real transformation begins.
Bales are fed into our primary shredder system, capable of processing 2 tons per hour. Twin shaft grinders rotate at 40 RPM, tearing plastic into uniform fragments in a matter of seconds. Shredded fragments tumble through collection chutes, thousands of pieces flowing toward the next processing stage. Secondary magnetic traps ensure complete metal removal before plastic enters the washing phase. The primary hopper collects approximately 10 tons of shredded fragments per day, all destined for the cleaning stage. Fragments are conveyed toward the washing facility, where contamination is completely removed. Hot water and gentle detergent dissolve adhesives, labels, and remaining contaminants from the plastic. Rotating blades keep fragments suspended for 20 minutes, ensuring complete cleaning throughout the tank. Water quality is monitored 24/7. Parameters are automatically adjusted to optimize cleaning efficiency. Overflowing water carries away floating contaminants into a separate collection system for treatment. Clean fragments rise on the extraction conveyor. Dirty water drains away, revealing pristine plastic. The spin dryer removes 95% of remaining moisture in just 3 minutes, a critical step for optimal processing. Warm air circulation dries the fragments completely. No moisture remains. The plastic is now ready for density separation.
Cleaned and dried fragments are staged by material type, ready for density separation and further processing.
Phase 2 complete, from baled plastic to clean, dry fragments. The cleansing transformation is revolutionary.
Our hydrocyclone cluster system separates plastic by density with 99% accuracy using water-based physics. Inside each hydrocyclone, centrifugal force creates a vortex. Denser plastics sink inward, lighter materials stay suspended.
Lighter polymers overflow, destined for separate processing streams.
Heavier PT collects at the bottom. This concentrated discharge contains our highest grade material. All discharge streams merge into 2 primary collection tanks, one for lightweight polymers, one for heavy-duty plastics. Secondary centrifuges remove excess water from the sorted materials, preparing them for the next processing phase. Materials are directed to designated collection bins. Heavy plastics and light polymers are now completely separated. Every batch undergoes rigorous inspection. Purity must exceed 98% for market acceptance. Our laboratory validates material specifications using advanced analytical techniques, ensuring compliance with international recycling standards. Sorted materials are staged in separate bins, each labeled with purity specifications and destination information. On every gram is tracked. Comprehensive documentation ensures complete supply chain transparency. Sorted materials are baled for efficient storage and transport. Sorted and baled materials are staged in a dedicated warehouse, ready for delivery to processors worldwide. Customer order is fulfilled with precision. Materials gathered, verified, and staged for immediate shipment. Phase 3 complete, from mixed fragments to pure baled materials. Density separation has unlocked material purity and value. Sorted bales enter the melting facility via a sophisticated gantry system, positioned above a multi-stage processing hopper. Automated cutting systems separate packaging from plastic material before melting begins. A variable speed feeder screw controls material flow into the melting chamber, ensuring consistent processing. Here, plastic transforms. Temperatures reach 260 degrees Celsius. Solid becomes viscous. The rebirth begins. Twin screw extrusion creates homogeneous melt through advanced screw geometry and precise temperature control. Advanced temperature control maintains thermal consistency throughout the extrusion barrel, preventing material degradation.
Screen packs provide final filtration, removing any remaining contaminants before material extrusion.
As material exits the die, transformation accelerates. Molten plastic becomes solid strands, a metamorphosis in seconds.
Cool water hardens the strands, transforming them from pliable melt to rigid solid in seconds. Strands are extracted and straightened. A motorized haul-off system applies precise tension. Extruded strands accumulate in the collection hopper, thousands per hour, ready for final granulation. Strands are fed into an industrial granulator, where cutting blades and rotor work in perfect synchronization. Cutting blades rotating at 800 RPM slice strands into uniform pellets, the final transformation. Phase 4 complete. From bales to premium-grade plastic pellets, the rebirth is fully realized. Cooled pellets are automatically sieved for size uniformity. Only specification-grade material advances to quality testing. Cooled pellets are automatically sieved for size uniformity. Only specification-grade material advances to quality testing. Moisture content is critical. Our specifications require 0.3 or less. This batch tests at
Melt flow rate testing ensures material will perform correctly on customer equipment, critical for industrial buyers.
Intrinsic viscosity analysis confirms molecular integrity, essential for food-grade material certification. Color analysis ensures optical consistency, critical for transparent food contact applications.
Gas chromatography mass spectrometry analysis detects trace contamination at parts per million sensitivity. Complete quality documentation is prepared, certifying compliance with international food contact regulations.
Approved pellets are automatically bagged in 25 kg units, standardized customer delivery format. Each bag receives a unique identification label, enabling complete supply chain traceability. Cases are automatically packed and stacked onto pallets, standardized for efficient logistics and shipment. Finished goods are warehoused under climate control, preserving material quality until customer delivery. Plastic Bottle Manufacturer Inc. Customer orders are fulfilled with precision, documentation accompanying every shipment.
QR scan confirmed. Batch and destination verified. Strap secured. Applying seal. Container sealed and ready.
Our recycled plastic departs, destined for manufacturers worldwide. The cycle continues. Phase 5 complete, from quality verification to global shipment. Excellence in every step.
That's how modern plastic recycling works. From waste to premium grade material. Thank you for joining us. We'll be back next week.